In this video, I will show you how to rename 1,000 files in just 2 seconds. Here is the folder having a huge number of junk files that I want to rename as quickly as possible. These are a lot of files with awkward names, and renaming them individually will take a lot of time. I don't want to waste my precious time renaming these 1,000 files. So, before we begin the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, to rename all these files, we will go to Google Chrome and we will use the software called Bulk Rename Utility. You can find this software on Google by opening google.com. Then, in the Google search, type Bulk Rename Utility. Now just click the first link to go to the software. Now we will come back to Bulk Rename Utility and click Free Download. Now click Download Bulk Rename Utility. And you can see that the software has been downloaded successfully. Now click the software that you have downloaded and just follow the installation steps by clicking Next again and again. Now you can see that the software has been installed successfully. And we have successfully installed and opened Bulk Rename Utility. You can also open this software by going to Windows Search and typing Bulk Rename Utility. Now I will go back to the same folder having 1,000 junk files, and then select the address path and copy the folder address. Then paste the copied address into Bulk Rename Utility and click Enter. Now you can see Bulk Rename Utility has fetched 1,000 junk files from the folder. Now, to rename all these files, just select them all using Ctrl+A. If you select only 50 files, then you can rename only those 50 files. So make sure to select all the files. Now here is the powerful file naming format used by professionals to deal with millions of files. First is the time of file, followed by a common file name for all the files, and then the unique number for these files. And we will exactly use this format for this tutorial. Now first come to the Remove section. Before renaming any file, we will remove all these junk and weird names from all the files. In the first N, just increase the number until no characters are left for any file. Now you can see that all the junk file names have been removed. And the next important thing is that you can change the extension of all these 1,000 files in the extension section. To change the extension, select Fixed and type some extension name such as .jpg. And now you can see that the new extension has been applied to all the files. But I don't recommend changing the extension, and I recommend keeping it as same. Now we will apply the file naming format used by professionals. First, we have to give the time format as year, followed by month, then day, then hours, minutes, and then seconds. For this, go to the AutoDate section, then select Mode as prefix. And in type, you can select any time type like creation time or modified time. But in this case, I will keep it as the default to creation time. Now in the format, make sure to select the YMD HMS format, as this is the exact time format to be used. Now, to use 4 digits for the year instead of 2 digits, like 2024 instead of 24, check this century box. Now you can see the required time format has been applied to all these 1000 files, as we discussed. Now comes the second part, file name. And this is very easy, as you just have to give a common file name to all these files. For this, go to the Add section. Then come down to Suffix. And in the text box, type the file name starting and ending with an underscore symbol. Now you can see the file name My Files has been added to all the files as per the format we discussed. And now we have completed the first two renaming parts of the naming format. And the last part is to give all these files a unique order or number. Before giving these files a unique order or number, it is highly recommended to sort these files in ascending order of date created. This is to ensure that we give correct and meaningful numbering to these files. Now you can see that all these files are now sorted in ascending order of date created. The next step is to come to the numbering section and then select Mode as Suffix. And now unique numbers have been attached to all these files at the end as per the format we discussed. Now the last pending thing is to give suitable padding to these unique numbers. For this, go to Padding and increase the value so that all these unique added numbers are fitted properly. For 1000 plus files, the total padding required is 4, so I will increase the padding value to 4. Now we have successfully renamed all these 1000 plus files as per the naming format used by professionals. Now the final step is to click the Rename button at the bottom. It will give a warning that 1000 files are going to be processed. Just click OK. And now, 1000 junk files have been renamed successfully. Let's open the folder and check the files. Now you can see that all these files are properly and efficiently organized. For the first time, it takes some time to adjust to the software, but as you use it regularly, you can rename 1000 or even 10,000 files quickly in just 2 seconds. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.